Hi, my name is Rayshawn C, and today I will be showing you how simple planning can be through bullet journaling. Let's get into our materials. We need a bullet journal, a ruler, a black coloring pencil, and a black pen. Now, the most important part of this process is having your tasks broken down into 3 parts based on what you do monthly, weekly, and daily. Be sure to skip 2 pages. We'll come back to those later. For the month, you can create a calendar by log or drawing it out. Do what best suits your comfort level. After you're done, grab all those sticky notes that you have scattered about. It's time to put those to good use for our weekly tasks. Write out all tasks from each of your notes, and it doesn't matter if the information is just for a few days out of the week. To better organize yourself, try labeling the subject of your task for each category. For example, if it's your laundry day, label the subject as laundry, and the task will be washing your clothes. Then add a box next to the task. Moving on to daily tasks. Here is where you will be logging the tasks that you have to get done during the day. This is something that will help you create order and stress less. When you're done, revisit the 2 pages we skipped earlier. The first page will be our key. A key is used to log tasks using symbols as seen on this page. Lastly, we will add an index. The index is used as a guide to locate the information from page number, month, and date, or subject matter. Refer back to the calendar and add tasks to each list to get a sense of what occurred within the month. As you can see, each day is logged by monthly, daily, and weekly tasks. Now you can plan with ease and efficiency throughout the year. I'm Rayshawn C, and thank you for planning with me.